All right, getting back to weather now. 1 year ago today, North Texas woke up to a downpour that had turned roads into rivers. Balch Springs was one of the hardest hit areas, with homeowners stranded in floodwaters. It was a similar scene in Mesquite, where the rainfall sadly turned deadly as floodwaters swept a woman's car off the road. Let's bring in meteorologist Maria Ruiz, looking back at those devastating floods that we were dealing with this time last year.
And this time last year, just like this year, we needed the rain. It was just way too much all at once. This was a look at the 24-hour totals that we saw. We had scattered thunderstorms this morning a year ago. And what happened was we had one storm that did bring in very heavy rainfall. And you can see the really bright colors here, kind of rode along Interstate 30. It dropped over 9.5 inches of rain in Fort Worth, over 9 inches in Dallas, and almost 9 inches in Mesquite. That was definitely the hardest hit. Over 15 inches fell in Southeast Dallas. That was the highest amount, but Balch Springs over 12.5. And some reports of over 10 inches of rain in Dallas County. The 24-hour rainfall ended up being 9.19. That was the second wettest 24-hour period, and it was just less than half an inch away from reaching the wettest 24-hour period. The rainfall for the month ended up being just over 10 inches. It was the second wettest August on record, and at the time was also the wettest month since October 2018. And keep in mind, this was after the second longest dry streak in DFW history, with 67 days from June 4th to August 9th. Not only was it dry, it was very hot. Last summer was the fourth hottest summer on record, with 47 triple-digit heat days, making it the sixth most of all time. The hottest high is very similar to this year with 109. So it only took 1 day, and we did recover from the drought last summer. But that 1 day, well, ended up costing us, of course, quite a bit of damage.
Yeah, we'd like it. No, we don't want to do that again. No repeat. Thanks, Marielle.